Greetings folks, here we have the Volantex Ranger G2. This is the 757-6 1.2 metre wingspan FPV plane. The fuselage is shaped like the other Rangers, the 1600 and the 2 metre version, but it's a foam fuselage rather than the moulded plastic. Now I'm particularly interested in this plane because I have reviewed the Mini Ranger, which is the 757-4, which is 1.38 metre wingspan, I think. And that had a lot of problems. That wasn't a very good flying plane. So this is a totally different version. I'm hoping that it doesn't have the same characteristics as that Mini Ranger, but let's see what's in the box. Alright, it's in a nice little polystyrene box, which you can make another plane out of. So there's a decent user manual, stickers. We have landing gear and hardware there, prop adapter, nuts and bolts. It has sort of conventional landing gear as well as another glider style wheel down the bottom there. My preference is usually not to have this sort of landing gear, it just adds drag and complications, so that'll be interesting. Look at that, it has a little spirit level, bubble spirit level in the middle there. That's an interesting addition, very interesting indeed. Servos, tail servos down the back, same shape as the other Rangers. Plenty of space in there. We also have the option of an FPV hatch cover, which is Volantex's way, and it's a very good idea. You can see the ESC in there. I have a Dean's plug, which I'll have to change straight away. You can actually buy adapters from Dean's to XD60, which if you don't want to have to cut that off and resolder it. Nice, smooth, strong looking foam. We have a wing spar here. Wing spar, very, very stiff. And the wings and tail surfaces. Horizontal stabiliser, vertical stabiliser there. Same sort of shape as the other Rangers, which work really well. And the wings, let's have a look at them. Same nice and stiff, good looking wings. Click-in mounting system, which is excellent. Servos already mounted. We'll have to put the servo arms and the control horns on there. We've got plastic hinges as well as foam hinges. Very nice indeed, and reinforced along the aileron. Ply reinforcing along the wing. Very nice, really nice shape they are. Centre of gravity mark on there, that's good. Well, this is going to be pretty quick and easy. Let's put it together.
So this is the tail wheel. I can't really work out how it's meant to fit in. There's a little plastic fitting in here that there's a hole that it fits into, and there's a little sort of a hinge here that it also is meant to pass through. But it doesn't line up if you put it in like that. If you fit it into that fitting, it doesn't fit into the hinge.
No, decided that's not going to work at all, so we'll do away with the tail wheel for the moment. So there we have it, the Volantex Ranger G2 1.2 metre FPV plane. That was a very simple build. The only problem I had was with the little tail wheel over there. I couldn't get it to fit in nicely, so I've just done away with it. I may even put another tail wheel on of my own design. All the rest of it went together very well. Sweet looking little plane. I think this is going to be a beauty. So stay tuned, we'll have the maiden coming up as soon as the weather calms down. Can't wait for it. Thanks for watching.